Ever heard that awful scraping sound when your car hits a speed breaker? That's your ground clearance crying for help. Ground clearance is the gap between your car's belly and the road. It's the difference between a smooth ride and a damaged underbody. In India, with potholes and surprise speed bumps every few meters, low ground clearance cars really suffer. You risk damaging the oil sump, exhaust, and even your suspension. For city driving, aim for at least 1 cm of ground clearance. If you're tackling rough roads or rural routes, go for 190 mm or more to stay safe and stress free. Choose cars that can clear obstacles, not just traffic. Stay smart, stay safe with Garuda Auto Parts.